Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can put a jacket around your hips on Dress to Impress. So you're going to enter this code here. I think that's how they spell it, or it's with an I or with a 4, something like this. I will put it in the description box down below, do not worry. You're going to get that code and you're going to wear that code essentially. So as you can see, this is the normal toggle. You're just going to select the tie jacket one, and that is pretty much it unless you did not know. I'll just take off the belt so you guys can see it a little bit better. But that is pretty much how you can wear the jacket around your jeans, hips, obviously, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!